Okay, so here on Rua de Coimbra, we're going to be walking directly down this way. There's a lot of changes in this place, so we're going to talk about this right here, this little overpass. This whole thing is all new. There's a lot of new things and there's a lot of construction last time we were here. So let's talk more in detail about all that in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua de Coimbra. We are gonna walk down that way. Nice dog. Oh, it's huge. Okay, so we're gonna talk about some of the changes here. One of the big changes is this street. This is Guimarães, and they have this whole thing that goes all the way down to a light rail train line now. And this is all, I think it opened about 1 month ago. That's Taipa Central. There's IKEA over there that opened about a year ago. And then this whole street is transformed. So now it's like this whole school is completely different too. It didn't have the thing before it. Before there was like a bunch of, I'll put it at the end. I'll put some of the, what the street was like before, because it was completely different style in the past. Let's just kind of walk down it a little bit. So Rua de Coimbra. This kind of started with this building right here. So this was totally different before. There was like kind of child paintings here that were all the way down. And yeah, that's all brand new as well. But yeah, now there's, and this office building is also, has like a bigger landscape kind of feel. It's like totally different feel. This was also under construction along with that big one where that skyway is at. So yeah, now it's yeah, the school is interesting now too. Yeah, and actually I was walking the overpass not too long ago and I could look up and see this. There's some music, little bars, music bar notes there too. They've completely redone the look of the school. It didn't look like this at all before. It's actually quite impressive. Yeah, there's just so many changes in Macau now. This is new. I didn't see this before, but Nova Park resident car park. I think it's new. Has a really new feel to it. Yeah, this is Rua de Coimbra. And at the end of this video, if you watch it all the way to the end, I'll put some older Coimbra videos and you can see what it looked like before. I know I filmed at least 4 or 5 times where it didn't look like this at all. It looked like totally different. There's a street sign again. So yeah, that's amazing. That whole building, it's kind of nice. We have a rooftop up there as well. Yeah, it looks nice. And soon we're gonna go to another area. Not another area, but another area that I filmed. I focused on this Paris store once and filmed this street as well, so we're gonna definitely see that again. Hello, how are you?
Long time no see.
Yeah, long time. There's a Paris store. I used to study Portuguese with. I hadn't seen her in a long time. So this is the Paris store. They got all French goods in this one, so it's kind of interesting. Yeah, the person, you can study Portuguese in Macau. That particular person that walked by was in the same class. I didn't recognize her. Haven't seen her in a long time. Okay, so let's just kind of go down. So that's where we came down. And Central Park is all the way down that way too. Let's just keep on strolling down. Milan Realty. I think last time I was here, I also focused on the Paris store. And I also went over there. There's like a little place called Rock and Roll. We'll see if we can catch it. Data recovery. Oh, that's useful information. Data recovery. Oh, that's good. Data recovery. That's good information. Okay. So way over there's a Rock and Roll place. I kind of wanted to also show that too. Cake shop. You can see it way over there. It looks like kind of Japanese. I think if you go to one of those older films, you'll see it because I think I usually focus on it because it has a nice decor. But there's also cool stuff on this street too, on this side of the street. Samurai fish. It's kind of cool. Looks like there's many Japanese restaurants, and the Japanese restaurants have pretty high quality, and so I'm not surprised that they're This is Jeju-do Korea, Korean restaurant. Jeju-do. So yeah. Hanguk Yori. Yeah, it's a little Jeju-do. Jeju is the island in South Korea that's off the mainland, and they call it kind of the Hawaii of Korea. It's cool. Okay, let's keep on exploring here. Sugarmeyer. Not sure what that one is. Swiss Taste. Looks like a real estate agency. Keep on walking. So we definitely have stuff down that street. But we're gonna keep on walking down this street and just keep going. Rua de Coimbra is definitely worth exploring. That's the one we're on now. You got a Flower City Park coming up. So let's kind of push this through here. Looks like that. We're gonna keep on strolling. So that's basically our focus right there from the bridge down here. I think that Coimbra keeps going down further, but we're gonna keep going down this way because this is also interesting too. Kind of complete the whole thing. Yeah, you got some people who are looks like they're playing a game down here. We'll go see. And this park has let's see. This park has like fish and turtles and all kinds of stuff. Skating. We'll just walk down a little bit, all the way to the end. Yeah, looks like it's closed at the moment. Yeah, if you go in there, there's like all these little kiosks and places to sit, and there's a skating over there. It's like turtle ponds and stuff like that, goldfish ponds. I think they're all playing. I don't know. Oh, they're playing. So they're playing mahjong. Okay, so we're gonna go across. Got this whole little street. It's like exercising a little bit. And then we got this kind of thing right here. This is actually used to be called Mug, so now it has a different name. 1948. It's like kind of a Portuguese. Let's see what this is. It's all new again. Story behind 4-person dinner combo. Okay, so it's cool. 1948. So I don't know, this looks like it's kind of new. Oh, the Owl Hut. So now this is called number 16 Owl Hut. So a nice little, hello. I'm just gonna see the stuff. Happy hour. Oh, okay. Okay, so you got a music bar. So now they call it a music bar. It's cool. It's all new. It's different. Thank you. So it's all, yeah, okay. It's cool. So we're still in Rua de Coimbra as well. So we're gonna come out here to the end. And yeah, so that used to be Mugs, but now it's called number 16 Owl Hut. Cool name. Nice decor. Got a music bar. And we'll end this one right here. So that's Rua de Coimbra.
Toma cuidado la